Hi guys, Taikenzor here, and specifically to my students, hello. So, as discussed before in class, I was going to do a tutorial on how to do a simple rigged character. Now, I'm using Toon Boom Harmony Premium 12 currently, but the same stuff would apply if you have the lesser version. I'm not going to be using more of the advanced stuff, and also for those who might have Animate or rather Animate Pro and above, this stuff will apply to you too, because I'm going to be going through what's called the network. So this is an example of a simple character, and with this character I use a network to kind of do a hierarchy for the body parts. So it's going to be important that you have access to a network. In this one, it's called the node view, and in some of my previous tutorials I had done it with pegs for each part, but this time I'm just going to make the drawings themselves be manipulated by the advanced animation tools. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing is you have to draw your parts. Now, I'm going to be using something I've made already. Well, a drawing rather, based on the design of this character, Patty Bags, Patrick Everton Bags, from my blog. I've been working on this character. So I'm going to start with a few parts. For example, like the head. I'll just start with the head. Some of the basic tools and can contour some of them. So I'm not going to go through making all the parts. We'll make a few like the head and an arm, and then continue from there with a complete drawing or complete parts. So we'll start with the head. So I'll just rename this drawing head, and I'll find my rectangle tool, which is found where my lines are. It seems my line is a bit small because the resolution of my screen is a bit large. So I'm just going to change my line thickness from my rectangle tool to say about 20, so it can be seen. If you have a lower resolution, then it's really subjected to that. So go ahead, and I'm going to be doing it from the side view. So I'm going to have to zoom in a little bit more, just so it all fits. Or I could just use my brush tool and draw my parts. Let's just drop this back to 10. So I'm just making some basic parts. I'll color them in the next view or the next video. So the neck, it's going to be part of the body. I'll just edit that a little bit. And I can use some of the manipulations from the tool properties to edit my stuff. I'm going to need a circular joint for my neck. The other one I won't bother because it's underneath it's going to be underneath the bag head. So essentially what's going to happen is that you're going to be making, for each part that you expect to be able to manipulate for your rigged character, you're going to need to draw a different part for it. So by the next video I should have a complete body, and I'll just go through each of the parts separately, so then you can see what I'm working with. So I'll just keep working until the next video, and I'll see you then.